Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Early Market Insider Commentary. It's Friday morning, September the 9th. Not quite as nice of a day as yesterday, but it's what happens. Sometimes you get the weather changing and it's not as good as weather, but hey, it's going to be a great day trading anyway. Quiet overnight grain trade as we kind of consolidating here ahead of the weekend. We've rallied corn about 25 cents off of its lows since early August. We're getting close to resistance. Question is, how much more can we rally corn in the face of a 15 billion bushel crop? Now, we are going to see production numbers on Monday tell us it's probably going to be 15 billion bushels. Maybe it's not 175 yield, maybe it's 173.4 like the trade is estimating, but it's still going to be a big crop, and that's going to limit our upside, whether that upside occurs in the month of September or we see more upside after harvest gets going and realize maybe the crop isn't quite what it is. But remember last year, very counter seasonal year where we saw corn, beans rally during September and then turn lower into October, November, and December, making for a very long winter months. That is very counter seasonal. Normally we turn lower in September and bottom early part of October. And we see combines rolling in the fields, and that did not happen last year. More research has a sell signal for corn on Monday. That's worked 14 out of 15 years. The 1 year that it didn't was last year. So um, market has had some short covering in here. Wet weather, I think, is partially to blame for that for corn and for soybeans, as we're going to see very little harvest activity here. Uh, just not that much happening right now. And next week, it looks like we're not going to see that much harvest activity either. It's going to be very wet across a lot of the corn belt. So um, let's keep an eye on cattle trade today. Cash was sharply lower again this week, $4 to $5 lower, and some pretty active trade. 3 out of 4 major packers participated in that trade late yesterday. Live cattle did not make new lows, feeders did, and we could see a little short covering, but again, rallies are going to be sold in the cattle market and in the grains as well. So we'll find some resistance and sell into it. And check out our trade update newsletter that came out yesterday. We've got a cattle spread that's working real well. We've got some other recommendations, and we'll short the S&Ps, and they're down here this morning. So find out what we're doing there and our daily insider newsletter as well. Have a great day and a great weekend. If I don't talk to you again, this has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. Talk to you soon.